Alright, today's game plan is to do the grounding system for this fence. Use this poly wire and some of these chain link, what do they call these? Chain link fence ties. And we're going to make a perimeter on the ground all the way across and around the whole system. And that way we got a good ground. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to push them down here into the ground, and then gonna give it a little bit bend like this so it basically holds it in the ground like a staple. And then we're gonna pull her tight to the ground so that we can mow over it, but that'll establish a good grounding system. And then we'll hook that right up in here to her ground lug, and then on the opposite side that comes from across the fence, we'll bind them together, and then that'll be our ground system. Because once the ground dries out, it will not conduct electricity the way we need to keep these deer out. So you can see that wire goes up and around the entire perimeter. It's on the deck, or on the ground rather. And then it all ties back up into here onto the ground stud. And that should help keep the electricity flowing during the dry season. Also, for extending up your T-post to about 11 foot, take these fiberglass rod, and then we bind them with the same cyclone fence ties, and we just twist them up, and then we put a little bit of a crimp on them here to keep it in place. And then as we're pulling, it'll pull against those little notches there, and then help keep it all stable. I ran out last time, so I only got one on some of these, like the one over in that corner. Go ahead and put those in now.